Download a 2014-2015 Dodge Ram 1500 repair manual straight to your computer or tablet in seconds. A Dodge Ram 1500 repair manual covers every aspect of maintenance, troubleshooting and repair. Some of the main chapters in a Dodge Ram repair manual include engine, transmission, driveline axles, electrical, cooling, exhaust system, suspension, body and many other chapters. Go to 911manual.com to download your manual. When you get to the website, select the make, model and year. Then download the manual. It is that easy. www.911manual.com, the world's #1 source for digital download repair manuals.